Well, Sam Wilson here, Sam's Antique Motors, and we finally got the cab all painted up, base coat, clear coat. Turned out really nice. Got super nice gloss, no runs, everything looks good. Got the tartan turquoise, and then the inside is this gold color, and I'm really happy to say that that thing matches really nicely. That's the original gold on the ashtray unpainted in the gold new fresh painted dash, so that's turning out really nice. Got the charcoal up here on the dash, and then down on the floors it's charcoal, including the steps. So these are charcoal to this line right here, and then I went ahead and raptored the inside of the bed just to kind of knock a little of the noise down. But we got this all put back in gold. Steve McDonald helped me figure out where these paint lines go off of his original NAPCO. So I got all the paint lines based on that, where they were. I got the little clutch head screws and the catch. So it's turned out really super nice, super gloss. And I haven't done anything to cut and buff it, so I'll knock some of that off and get it really flat. Got the hinges in. I actually set these hinges, and then I just replaced the bolts. I painted them in place because these hinges are set for where the doors go. So got the firewall all slicked out. That all looks good. And I got the battery bracket on, mainly to help me just kind of push it around and control it. So we're gonna probably go ahead and put the clearance lights up on here, because I got to run the wires up into the trough up in the top. So I got a pull wire in there now. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and pull those wires and get that ready.
Download the Resto-Rat app today to begin managing, tracking, and documenting your restoration project.